Hello and welcome to my channel. As we approach the end of the month, I wanted to share another portfolio updates with you. If you enjoy this type of videos about portfolio updates, I kindly request that you leave a comment or like this video. This will help me get to know you better and create even more relevant and helpful content for you in the future. Let's begin by comparing my current portfolio with the previous month. At the end of January, my portfolio was valued at £6,196.72, with an investment return of £223.34 and a return rate of 4.15%. If you watch my previous video about portfolio update, you may notice that the value is different, and that's because I was able to invest an additional £500 by the end of the month. Moving on to this month, my current portfolio value is £6,327.17 and a return rate of 2.11%. Before I share my portfolio with you, I want to let you know that in the future I'm going to make some changes to my portfolio. Now let's jump on the Vanguard. My current portfolio value is £6,342.02 with a personal rate of return of 6.71% since account was opened. My largest investment is in the S&P 500, which makes up 66.77% of my portfolio. Now let's check out the other investments. You may notice that I no longer hold Japan ETF, and that's because I accidentally sold it when I was trying to make a video about how to sell a fund. I reinvested the money in the Developed World ETF, which is similar to Vanguard All World VWRL, except that it does not include emerging markets. Additionally, the ongoing charge for Developed World VEVE is 0.12%, which is lower than VWRL of 0.22%. Let's check the detail view. Not much happened. Let's check the performance, calculation. I have a gain of £29.06 from selling Japan ETF. My total return of investment is £287.02. Now let's check the month. As you can see, I haven't made any investment this month. However, I'm planning to invest at least £500 before the end of the month. Now let's check insights. Not much happened here either. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and also consider subscribing to my small channel. My name is Michael, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.